Yo, we've spoken about so many topics. Now this one will be file sharing. You all know what file sharing is. You share files a lot. And don't be confused. And file sharing, what they are referring to as file there can be information. It can be audio, video, letters. File sharing, like when you are sending letter from file sharing is what we do almost all the time. Almost some of us as we have sender on our phone. There are different types of applications on our phone that in which we can send information from your email, from your sender, your Bluetooth, even your WhatsApp. Sometimes there are some things you have on WhatsApp. Like this, the note I sent to you on WhatsApp is part of file sharing. Let's go to the definition so that to be able to understand. File sharing is the practice of sharing or offering access to digital information or resources, including documents, multimedia, that's audio, video, graphics, computer programming, image, and ebooks. File sharing can be done using several methods. File sharing can be done by using several methods. The most common techniques for file storage, distribution, and transmission including following: removable storage device. That is your flash. Removable storage device. Look at the word removable, something you can remove. You can plug it and you can remove it. If you use your flash drive or your CD-ROM to copy from one computer, you remove it, you plug into another computer, and you copy that thing out and you remove that in removable storage devices. Your flash, memory card, disk. They can help in sharing information. Number 2, centralized file hosting server installation on network. Those are, you can hear installation, something you install in your phone or your computer that can take information and also send information out. World Wide Web oriented hyperlinked document. Distributed peer-to-peer network. Distributed peer-to-peer network. Can you get distributed, something that can distribute something, that can send something out? Peer-to-peer, that is from one person to another. Network. Share. Sender. On your phone. Bluetooth. Those are the things that talk computer network. That computer network means the internet. You can send information from your mail to another person's mail, from your WhatsApp to a network consists of 2 or more computers that are linked in order to share resources. A network consists of 2 or more than that, 1 billion, 1 zillion computers that are linked together through internet in order to share resources, such as printer and CDs. Printer. When you type something, you print it out from your printer or you put it on your CD. That thing you print, you can take it to somebody and the person will look at it. The person will scan it and it will look original and send to another person. I don't know if you're getting. When you type a letter to your uncle or to any organization, they will print it out. It's a printed copy, paper, hard copy. You take it to another organization. When they know those things you send to them is important, and okay, let's do it this way. Maybe you're like a plumber, and you're giving a work in a site to do a quotation for a building. After you've typed out and you've done all the quotation, you print it out, signed, you take it to the organization, and the person that gave you the work, maybe the person is not in Nigeria, and the workers that are working under the person want to send information to the person. They can scan it. It will look original with your signature and everything, your phone number, and the thing will appear on the person's laptop, on computer or phone, and the person will check it to look as if it's a soft copy, and it was a scanned, which you typed and printed yourself, and it looked original. So they are sharing information. Or allow electronic communication. The computer on a network may be linked through cables, telephone line, radio wave, satellite, or infrared light beams. A network is defined as a group of 2 or more computers, billions of computers, zillions of computer systems linked together. Computer network allow you to share information with friends, family, co-workers, and customers. Network file sharing is the process of copying data files from one computer to another using a live network connection. Listen to that. Network file sharing. Network, which means a file that they share through the internet, through the network. Network file sharing is the process of copying data copying video, copy letter, copy audio files from one computer to another using the live network connection. Before the internet and home network became popular, data files were often shared using floppy disk. Nowadays, some people still use CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, disk, USB stick for transferring their photo and video. But network give you more flexible option. You can send any information through your mail. You can send through your WhatsApp. The note I sent to you, I sent it through your WhatsApp. And some of you are saying, some said they can open it. Some said they can open it. And I gave them a file they can use. A file they can use to open it. And they open it and use. Some of you are able to copy. That is part of it. They were able to share it. So, types of network. There are different types of network. Number one, personal area network. That is PAN. They call it PAN. P-A-N. PAN. PAN. P-A-N. Personal area network. That is the smallest and the most basic type of network. Personal area network. There's another one, local area network. That is LAN. PAN, LAN, MAN, and WAN. PAN, P-A-N. LAN, L-A-N. MAN, M-A-N. WAN, W-A-N. Personal area network is PAN. Local area network is LAN. Metropolitan area network is MAN. Then wide area network is WAN. So the local area network is a connection that's used for group of computer when there are many. The metropolitan area network, which is MAN, is a more powerful version of local area network where it can cover up to the whole city in terms of connection. Then the wide area network, which is WAN. This is a common type of network nowadays that is made possible for wireless. That is your Wi-Fi. Like the one we're using in school here now. That one is PAN. The smallest and most basic type of network. You use cable to connect ourselves together. So those are the things you need to know. Please study your book. Then types of network topology. Types of network topology. A topology for the network is known to be a layout for connected devices. This is important because this is used to provide a proper flow of data within the said network. Here are the various topologies. Like when you use cable to from the, when you have internet, there's what they call router. You plug your device, either Wi-Fi, MiFi. You plug it to a router. A router will help it. Your router can be wireless or the one that is wired. So people prefer to use the wired one. So they will not use wire. That is topology. They use wire to connect it to another router. Some router can send up to like 10. They have like 10 outputs. That 10 out means you can plug 10 computer. But sometimes when Wi-Fi is small, when people are much on it, it will slow down the network system. So let's go to bus, which is number 2, bus. This is the type of structure that uses a single medium to connect computer. Single, that is just the one. Topology is more than one. This one for the networks is known to be a layout. That is different connection. Then there's ring. Each computer is connected to another neighboring computer for data transfer. One failed network can cause all network to turn off. That one is, which means if you have like 20 computers, a cable will come out from one computer to another computer. Another computer to another computer, another computer. So when one failed, it will disconnect others. That is what they call ring. That one can affect. Because they didn't separate it, because they are together. It's from one computer to another one computer. So if one is disconnected, it will affect others. So there's another one, star. This is a structure that common in home. It uses a certain hub, a router to make the network possible. A router, everybody will go on a different form. Then there's tree. This is a complicated structure that connects the star into multiple buses. This is common for internet cafe. That is different routers. If they pick from the source, it will go to one router, from that router to another router. Then mesh. This is a connection that leads to various data transmission, which are perfect for routing, huge networking. Please, study your book. When you are listening to this, take your book and go along with me. You understand different types of way of doing this sharing and the network stuff. So the next topic which we're going to treat will be responsible use of the internet. That is the proper way to use internet. It will be the next topic. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. God bless you, and thank you for listening.